The Olympus TUF TG5 is the company's latest rugged compact camera. It's built around a 12 megapixel sensor with a flexible 25 to 100mm equivalent zoom lens. Just as importantly, it's waterproof to a depth of 50 feet, drop-proof from a height of 7 feet, and both dust and freeze-proof, meaning you can take it pretty much anywhere with you without worrying about damage. The TG5 features a dual-layer lens cover to reduce the risk of fogging in response to temperature or humidity changes. It can also capture location, pressure, compass heading, and temperature data to help tell the bigger story of your adventures. Built-in Wi-Fi allows all this data to be sent to your smartphone too. As well as stills, the TG5 can shoot 4K video or 120 FPS 1080 if you want a slow-mo effect. Overall, the TG5 is a rugged and capable companion for all those times you wouldn't usually be able to take a camera with you. For more information about the Olympus TUF TG5, visit dpreview.com.
Hi, I'm Allison for DP Review, and this is the Sony CyberShot RX100 IV. The RX100 IV is the fourth generation of Sony's large sensor zoom compact. It features a new high-speed sensor enabling 4K video, high frame rate video, and faster autofocus. Like its predecessor, it offers a 24 to 70mm equivalent f1.8 to 2.8 lens, which is impressively sharp throughout its range. And despite its small size, the Mark IV finds room for a built-in electronic viewfinder. The camera is so small that its user interface can sometimes feel overwhelmed by the number of features that the camera provides. But improvements have been made over the Mark III, and the camera allows a lot of customization to help it fit your needs. Image quality remains the best in its class, but this is now complemented by high-quality video in terms of details, 4K footage, and well-stabilized 1080p. Overall, the RX100 IV squeezes better images and video out of a smaller camera than any we've previously encountered. It isn't cheap, but there's nothing that offers this level of capability that will fit in your pocket. For more information on the Sony RX100 IV, visit dpreview.com.
The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II offers improvements over its predecessor, making it more comfortable for shooting while maintaining its compact size and capable performance. The G7X2 is built around a 1-inch type CMOS sensor, giving it better image quality than a small sensor compact camera or a smartphone. The built-in lens is a fast f1.8 to 2.8 24 to 100mm zoom, providing a lot of reach and decent low-light capabilities in a small package. The tilting touchscreen LCD makes it easy to set up and take your shots from any angle, making it ideal for selfies or street photography. The image quality, especially color rendition, is excellent on the G7X2. Its fast burst shooting enables you to capture the action. The grip is comfortable in the hand, and the control ring around the lens can be set to smooth or clicky, making it useful for both photo and video shooting. Our criticisms of the G7X2 are a relatively disappointing battery life and slightly mushy fine details in JPEGs. Overall, the Canon G7X2 is a well-designed enthusiast compact camera that can capture good quality photos and videos. This pocketable camera is a significant improvement over its predecessor and sits near the top of its class. For more information about the Canon G7X2 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.